Every second, the sky above us is filled with endless flashes of light. An ephemeral and faint rain of blue light, invisible to our eyes. They are the result of gamma radiation, a form of energy that comes from the most beautiful corners of the universe. These blue flashes can reveal many secrets about the life and death of stars, about black holes, and even on dark matter. This is the Spanish island of La Palma. Above this huge sea of clouds, the CTA is growing. The Cherenkov Telescope's array opens a new window to the universe of gamma rays, the ultimate instrument for high-energy astronomy. For a year, we will follow the construction of the telescope. On this journey, we will discover what gamma rays are, but we will also be witnessing the building of one of the best telescopes in the world.